Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of clearing your payment and shipping information in Telegram. Clearing this information can help protect your privacy and ensure that your sensitive data is removed from the app. So, let's dive into the full guide on how to clear payment and shipping info in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Give it a tap to open the side menu. Step 3. In the side menu, scroll down and find Privacy and Security. Tap on it to access the privacy and security settings. Step 4. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find Clear Payment and Shipping Info. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. To clear all your payment and shipping information, tap on Clear All. This will remove any stored data related to your payments and shipping details. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear your payment and shipping information in Telegram, ensuring your privacy and security. It's always a good practice to periodically clear your stored payment and shipping information, especially if you no longer need it or want to keep your data up to date. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more secure and privacy-conscious experience on Telegram.